Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Luna and discuss what's happening with it. Right? Just a heads up, this is Luna Classic and not Luna or Luna 2. Right? So before we get into that, please make sure to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FX's Crypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Right, let's dive into what's happening here. Right, you can see I pointed out this particular inverse head and shoulders pattern for like quite a while ago, and I even posted it on my Twitter. Right, Luna is like I've been spotting a lot of head and shoulders pattern for Luna, not inverse. My bad. You saw one here. It's an inclined one, but still nonetheless, right, it worked. Right, this is the first left shoulder, the head, and then we have the right shoulder. And the price dropped. I was an active participant on this particular drop here. Right, and now we're seeing a similar one. And my thesis is not just technical. I also have like fundamental take on why Luna could drop. Right, the first. Let's discuss technical stuff, right? The technical stuff obviously has the head and shoulders as like the main driver on why I'm expecting the price to go down. On top of that, we also are looking at the what's happening right now is that the price has already produced a breakout, which happened on 10th October, which is yesterday. And on top of that, we have a retest and rejection at the point of control at 0.293. Now, what is the point of control? It is basically the highest volume traded for a specified amount of time. For now, we have I've used 24th August as my starting point because that's where we basically saw a massive 600% run up, if I remember correctly. Yeah, roughly 493, 500% upswing, right? And the reason why I'm not using all of this is because this is where we saw like a lot of volume come in and a lot of price move actually took place. So this is the most relevant one and not the consolidation that took place here. So on top of that, now that we've already broken down below this important volume level, which is basically a support floor as well, it basically means that the buyers are like giving up, right? And the next stop basically for Luna is a Luna Classic is basically 0.234. And beyond that, we can expect it to go down to this low volume node that I marked out here at 0.1766, 0.1425. So yeah, that's it, guys. Like you have a clean flip of this support structure that was formed here into a resistance level. We've had one retest, two, three, three failed retests to push above that. On top of that, we've had a flip of the POC into resistance level. Like the only way things could flip around for things could kind of turn around for Luna Classic is if it goes back up above 0.2923, then produces a higher high above the previously found high here on October 10th at 0.316. So if we get a higher high, which is basically a market structure break, now that could be a pretty loud signal that the price is going to reverse and then contest this resistance level here, extending from 0.329 to 0.343 again. Right, so that is my whole game plan. I've shorted Luna, I don't know when, let me just check, at 0.30. Let me just keep this here for reference, 0.303. That's my entry. Not a great entry. I've actually should have kind of, shorted Luna around here, but I don't know, I was not in the right headspace. I don't have a stop loss yet, so I'm just playing it by the eye, right? My take profit levels, as I mentioned, the first take profit level would be around here, right? And the second one and the third one, pretty straightforward, right? If the price does, I should have added more here, but I kind of was not looking at the charts, which explains why I didn't add it there. 0.03. Just keep it as it is, and let's go into this break thing because it's moved a little far. Yep. So yeah, that is my take on Luna, right? The fundamental aspect of why I'm expecting Luna price to continue dropping is basically that the fees burned, right? Like this particular rally that you saw here was basically reaction to Binance announcing that it would also implement the fee burn thing, right? burning Luna, and the fees generated by trading Luna. And on the first burn that took place, that was announced, I think on October 1st, or yeah, October 1st, there were roughly 2.5 billion or 2.9 billion Luna that was burned, and after that, that was basically an equivalent of 1.9 million dollars, right? Not a lot. That was basically 0.08% of the circulating supply, which is obviously a meager amount. And the second burn was obviously lower than that, which I kind of also predicted, or wrote about it in my article, which I will be pulling up here. So with an underwhelming amount of Luna being burned, although like the burn is technically bullish, it is in the retail mindset. I don't think it is big enough to actually impact the technicals of Luna, especially with such a huge circulating supply that is already present for Luna, right? Yeah, there it is. Why Luna C could plummet, or LUNC could plummet another 50% on the next Luna Classic Pearl announcement. And yeah, a 50% drop would basically put it at 0.176. And I think when I wrote this, it was a lot higher. Let me just check the price. Yeah, we were around 0.307. I think I shorted Luna after I wrote this article, right? So basically expect Luna price to drop like a tank. And if you enjoy this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to stay updated on these trades, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, the link for which is in bio. And if you're interested, you can also join my Telegram channel. So, yep, have a safe trading day and peace.